What do we got going on here, Dan?
Your mom.
All right, and other than that,
These nuts.
Other than that,
These nuts.
you got 2 D's nuts?
These nuts.
All right, well, since Dan's having a stroke or something, we're gonna do a, what is this, 850 package?
These nuts package.
What does that translate to, 850? You're ruining my intro, Dan. All right, let's try that again. Yeah, that's right. Let's try it again. Dan messed it all up. So they only made about 115 of these, I guess. Just some rare special package. These things are beautiful. It's a little dirty, so don't mind it, but really beautiful, interesting paint color. It's like a bluish, whitish gray. Where the hell's the work order? You got the work order?
Yeah.
Let's see what package this puppy's making.
Work order cam and everything. Let's get everything. Let's get the These nuts package.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Woo!
So you can see the list of stuff it's getting. It's getting all kinds of stuff. Yeah, so it's getting a Whipple 2.9, I guess. Cam, all the stuff that goes along with it.
These nuts go along with it.
Chon, C-H-O-N.
Yeah.
Brad, Mr. Brad Lee thought that's how you spelled your name.
Right. Yeah, well, anyway, it's your boy Chon here at LMR. Filming with a bunch of retards.
Chon in the flesh.
Live and in color.
Chon these nuts. Put the goddamn camera down.
I got this shit with one hand, don't worry about it.
All right, come on.
Here, get out of the way.
Come on. Come on, Dan, you pulling your weight or what? I think it's stuck on something.
Lift that side of it.
There we go. See, it wasn't just
Show
me.
you how to pick this up?
No, it was stuck.
Why y'all gotta use so much profanity around here? Can we make a video without F-bombs?
Go right ahead.
Take the high road.
Yeah. Why don't you take the thing out the blower so we can get it on?
Yeah, can you just unplug that wiring harness? Or?
No, I can't. It goes all the way down there. Jesus, it was already on the down already. That's enough for today.
Green goop. Green goop.
Bam.
Just like that. Hold up, what the hell's going on? Son of a biscuit.
Thank you, sir.
Hold on, he's busy.
Everybody needs me. Steven, you, Jason?
Even me.
Hell no. Yeah. Hold.
So we're back. It's Friday now. Dan just got the valve covers on, got the coils on, got the plastics covering it. Now we are waiting for, Dan's got some little plugs right there for those, so that it won't have a vacuum leak, because it does have a system going through it, as you can see, but he won't be using it right now, so we got to plug that off. Those should be here in just a couple hours. Once those are here, slap them on. The blower will be ready to smack on. So this car is pretty close to being finished. You can see he's already got everything in, just needs to put the blower on, belt, apply fluids, and this puppy should be ready to start.
You know what else is a little too heavy for
You don't know what the you're doing. Turn the camera around.
Yeah, I can see.
No, turn the camera around.
No, I got it. Come on.
All right. Now get on top of the car. We're Dan standing. You gonna pick it up?
This is just mock-up. Make sure everything's fine. Excellent. And nothing fits. And nothing fits.
Nothing fits at all.
The rails are in the coil packs, huh?
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah. Pick it up your way, Sean.
Isn't his job so much easier, Dan?
It's not. Okay. Huh?
Isn't his job so much easier?
Yeah, I could do this with one hand tied behind my back.
3 fingers. Like on your mom.
Watch them coil packs. Oh, we're going back off? What do you think, Dan? That was an epic fail. Well, Stan said that was a fail. Now we're gonna have to take off these rails, because they're hitting like everything. Like Dan said, no more port injection. He wasn't using it anyways, but I have to hopefully try and take that off now. Just have Aldo weld some plugs in there. Yeah, Aldo, you're gonna have to weld these bungs up. Yeah, all these holes. They're all gonna have to be gone. There's no way to reroute coils. Yeah, I can do them like how the Maggie kits come. Yeah. Put them down low. That's a lot of extra work. I think CJ was saying though that it's also hitting right here too. Oh, that's easy things. Yeah. Bend the hell out of it? No, I'll just make my own fuel line. And I'll come out under here and go around. Oh, okay. They go from the back to there. Okay. Well, heck, let's get to diagnosing. Dan made
Shut up.
Can I talk, damn it? Dan made the executive decision to, instead of pulling these off, instead of pulling these off and trying to find a way to plug these holes, Dan's figured out that we could just order the coil relocation packs you can get from Magnuson, that we always do with their blowers. We're gonna order those, drop the coils down below, and it should fit with these rails on it still. That's looking pretty flush to me. Yep. Yes, well, we finally got the bricks now. Brad delivered us the bricks. Dan's about to get a brick to the head.
These nuts on your head.
Alright, maybe that should be the title of this video. These nuts. Yes, so Brad got us the new brakes since that one was broken. Dan's finally putting this thing together. He's lazy as hell about it. Yeah, now we can slap the hat on it. Everything else is done. Got all the fluids in it. So we're gonna do the intake. And that's it. Yeah. How do you feel, Brad? You excited?
Great, excited, very excited.
Brad also had a Z06, but he got rid of that. Yeah.
All LMR done, heads, cam, porta blower, fuel system, made right at 775 to the wheels. So hopefully 800 out of this one will be super sweet.
Yeah, so we got rid of that thing and got a nice family
car.
cruiser. Yeah.
Yeah, got a family car.
Where's that broke brick?
The broke one?
Yeah.
I think that's it right there. It's right here.
Where's one I forgot?
It's a good question, Dan. I can see that brokenness.
Yeah.
Dan's out here losing crap.
Yep.
It is Monday now. Coming back, Dan was telling me we are still waiting on a couple coolant lines. Obviously, we got this sitting right here waiting to go. We're still waiting on the catch can, the X pipe, which hopefully should be here soon. I'm not sure when they're showing up. Hopefully they'll show up today or tomorrow. Dan can get this thing all finished. Everything else is done on it. We were just waiting on those couple small parts.
This is Brad's 2018 CTS-V. He brought us a lot of his own parts, but it full heads and cam package with the Whipple, 2.9 liter Whipple. I believe it's American Racing, 1 7/8 headers on it. Obviously a lower balancer with a big ring on it, and then I think it's got a 3.5 upper on it, so we got to see how much boost it's going to make. But he brought us, I think he bought it from someone that blew up their old V3, so there's a few things we had to change, like the bricks, the intercooler bricks and the supercharger were bad, and obviously the headers have a whole bunch of oil in them, so it's probably going to smoke when we first fire it up more than normal. But right now it's going to be on 93 octane. Still has stock LT4 injectors, LT4 pump. We do have the N gauge on it, so it is a flex sensor. So we did do a flex sensor on it with a low side fuel system, so we can run E if we want to. But I have a feeling we're gonna max out the fuel system on just 93 octane. But if we can get some E in it, we will. And then this Whipple in particular has port injection already put in it, so we'll do what we can do now, and then later on down the road we'll put our aftermarket ECM on it to control the port injection, and then we can run straight E85 and shoot for the moon. But startup file loaded, ignition off, and then let's you ready to fire in the hole?
Can I add oil, or you just want to let it run for a minute? It needs another quarter to oil.
Oil in the motor? That would be, we would need oil.
Yeah. No, it's got plenty, but I need to top it off.
It has some oil in it.
It's got a lot in it.
Okay, let's fire it up.
Okay.
I mean, if you know how much it needs, you can add it now if you want.
No, go ahead.
Okay. Hey,
This is on Dan.
he's asking to start up with oil. Does it need oil? Come on.
I gotta top it off.
Oh, well, that's different.
Yeah.
You should say I should top it off, not it needs oil. That's two different.
Well, it does need oil.
You know what I mean? Gosh, dang it.
Dang it, Dan.
Just make your little video.
See, I think it's got stock mufflers on it. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So just headers,
Headers and
off-road
X
connection
pipe.
pipes, and stock mufflers.
Mm-hmm.
And 20 turbos.
Fire in the hole!
That whipple's loud.
Pump on now.
Sounds good. Sounds nice.
It does sound good, right? For a Cadillac.
Yeah.
Oil pressure's good. Yeah, this thing sounds wicked, man. I mean, we put a good cam in it. But, yeah, for a Cadillac, that sounds sick.
Nice chop to her.
See if it helps.
Can I add oil now?
Yeah.
I gotta put oil in this engine. Yeah, there's no oil in it. Yeah, these cars take about 12 quarts or so, right?
Yeah.
How many quarts did you say you already put in? Like 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when Dan was saying you need to put oil in it, car's still gonna run fine. Just need to be topped off, so I don't think we're starting cars with a quart in it or something.
Hooray!
Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Of course, as you can see, it's still up on the list. We had a bunch of other cars in front of it in line, waiting to go on the dyno. It's already all finished up. Everything's good to go. It just needs to be strapped down. So hopefully within the next few days, we can go ahead and get it on there and see what kind of power she'll make. But until then, we'll just have to wait. As always, leave a big thumbs up if you guys like the video. If not, leave a thumbs down like Steven always says. Let us know why, so we can try and make our videos better. Of course, subscribe if you guys haven't already. We got some good videos coming up. We have a lot of good builds, a lot of good big builds that we've been doing recently. You definitely don't want to miss those. And of course, have a great day.